What is going on YouTube? Just got back from Dairy Queen and got the new Guardian of the Galaxy Blizzard. It's got cookie, chocolate, caramel, and some other stuff like sea salt mixed in and everything. So I got the large, which is $4.29. So you can see DQ and Guard of the Galaxy, only in theaters, whatnot. But man, this is so good. Like I said, it's got cookies, brownie, chocolate, caramel, and some sea salt all mixed inside. This thing is so good. See if I can take a bite and show you guys. But yeah, you can see the chocolate, cookie dough, and sea salt. But man, this stuff is so good. So, just a quick vid on the new Guardian of the Galaxy Blizzard. Let me know if you guys tried this. This is the large for $4.29. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next vid. Peace.